Hello, this is Tom Cook, Keller Williams, Harrisburg East. We are here with Dave Woolgamuth, the Dent Man, the only guy I will let hit my car with a hammer. Check this out. He's done work for me many times, and he does a wonderful job. No paint job needed, as long as it's nothing too serious, didn't crack the paint. But anyhow, 717-459-4423, and he will get you fixed up. Give him a call. Dave Woolgamuth, Lancaster Dent Removal. Best guy around. Catch you soon.